Wagwan peeps, say don't know your boy Buhn.
Wagwan peeps, say don't know your boy
Jnel. Welcome back to our next video. You don't know, today we are doing
story time.
Well, we choose to do that story time because you don't know something recent that we never like.
I don't know, say when I do story time. This is actually the first ever story time we do.
And based off a true story.
Yeah, and from when I see the title, you don't know, say me and Buhn. You see me?
But anyway you see one, you see the next. Yeah. You see me? Because we are family. We watch each other back. You don't know. We have each other back.
Why? But continue. Why? Continue.
Well, at the end of the day, you don't know me attack. You see me? We have to watch each other head back. You get me? I say? Yeah. So we out in the streets now, and basically we are gonna start it like this.
Yeah.
So what you did that morning?
Alright. So media have the job for you know when you have your mother, you see me, you have to do certain things for your mother because she overseas. You see me? So she called me and said, Junior, I need you to do this, I need you to do that. So one of the main things I have to do is go to a hardware.
Yeah.
And the whole story I have to do with that same hardware.
Yeah.
You see me? So you know,
hardware store.
Yeah. So we get ready, and when I go tell you now, like which hardware, like the name, you see me? We not be specific. Cause I don't know, we don't want to get in a lawsuit and them something there. Yeah. But the hardware is located somewhere in Spanish Town.
Yeah.
Is me. We're not gonna tell you which part. Cause if you tell you which part, basically we are telling you which hardware. But just know say a Spanish Town.
And again with the story, remember it's true, you know, and it happened to him a few times more than once.
Yeah.
You get me? I say so. The one year did kind of weird.
Yeah.
And you know, it never fit. It never sit with me right. It never feel good.
It never sit with me right personally because them things they nowhere near my headspace.
Yeah.
You see me? I don't know Jnel, say Jnel in the you see me? And as Apache
King.
As Apache kids say, you see me? Say Jnel lucky me, you know, say
a righteousness.
You see me? So you know we're not involved in certain things. Like anything we have to do with badness, Jnel, not a part of it.
Alright, so have you guys, comment down below, have you guys ever been accused of something you have never done before?
Not even accused, like people look by you like you're that type of person.
Yeah.
But whenever, when must wonder what we are talking about, we're going to start the story yet, but here, we're going to start it. So, we jump on a bus, me and Buhn jump on a bus, because you know when I drive, so you don't know if we bus it same way.
Yeah.
Until we bus, we can, have our own drive. So, we jump on a bus and head to Spanish Town, to the hardware, you see me, and we go inside of the hardware, but remember saying, say I have to have a mask, right? So we have the mask, and I think they have a strap bag. You see me, one of the strap bag.
Why would they have a strap bag?
Yeah, both of them have a strap bag, you see me, and regular clothes, like, when I say we they dress like no gangster or nothing like that, like regular clothes. I think they have on a red shirt and a jeans, like a black jeans pants. I don't know where they have on again.
I don't remember, but me try. That another part, but we did dress like a regular set of people.
Yeah, regular,
you get me? I say Cause we not try to dress up or nothing like that.
No,
simple. Just normally dress up simple and things for go up on the road, especially for something like that. You see me?
Cause if you have got hardware, it make no sense. You like, but Jnel is not flashy overall. Jnel is not flashy, so you don't know. Alright, so we go into the hardware, you see me, and we go to one of the lady there where they are decide. I think she has customer service, so you can ask she for like quote for like prices and stuff like that before you even go around for do nothing. So we did this for a while. You see me, I talked to her and then she did a look at me and she say, "Where me know you from?"
Yeah.
I say,
take off the mask. Take off the mask. Yeah.
She didn't say take off the mask. She just say move it a little bit so
she can't see how she really talk to.
And she said, "Oh no, they on YouTube or the video them blah blah blah."
Yeah.
So you don't know we did it for a while because we did have a list of things, probably like a list of 9-10 different things.
And enough things, construction things like cement, everything. You get me? I say?
Board and all them some, the steel. You see me? So we leave from this, so you see me? Well, we never leave from this. So.
No.
When she give me the price for all of the things, I say, shit. We never have enough money. So I say, alright, here what? We have to go home, you see me, we have to go to Jerusalem, you see me, and go for some more money and come back.
Yeah, but we did still get the quote, We still get the quote and thing. Yeah.
Quote, a certain figure, but we never have that amount
of money, yeah.
So me just said to Buhn, say, alright, yo, I go for the money and you just go and stay and come back. So while I'm gone, you can like make them get the thing them, the material them.
The things them what we can get at that moment of time.
Yes, so when me I come out of the hardware, somebody that point out a truck man to me we can do delivery and them thing there. So we did I talk to the truck man for a while and blah blah blah. We sort out this, sort out that. Him tell me the cost of this and the cost of that. So I said to Buhn, say, so I said to Buhn, say, alright, yo, me I cut and forward. But I go for the money and forward. Yeah. So I end up gone. I think Buhn end up go back inside.
Yeah. I mean, they stay inside for a while. I mean, like look around for things that me personally the need for my house. But at the end of the day, I never that would go for. But that me did I try to use for, you know, beat out some of my time when me did it. Cause I did I get boring and it did I drown out. You see me, and you don't know the truck man gone for certain things and we did it wait. To me, I don't see nothing wrong with that because I look around. I don't know if, you know, me did I do something bad or something enough to do. But me did I shop around and thing. We go to one of the, when Jnel IG gone, we go to one of the lady, the cashier, and said to the lady, say, me can get such and such like things that we can get right now so them can start it out around at the next, because there's two parts. One at the storeroom part where them have to go for the things them, and one part are like, you know, just everything there in the store where you can just take up and cash same time. You see me? So I make sure say I get the things that we need. So I call Jnel and say, Jnel, if you buy them things, and him say, yeah, go ahead and buy them. You see me? And sort that out. So I just deal with that. So till him come, but me did still inside the store. You understand?
Right,
yeah. So when I think he come back by the
yeah. So when they go for the money, come back. You see me? So me and Buhn then at the address, you me, and we need some nails, so we have to go a certain section to get the nail them, like down at the back of the hardware. So me and Buhn go down at the back of the hardware and we talk to the lady and show her the list, and she look upon it and say, alright, them ain't no bag out, so if we go around at the back for get them. You see me? So she go around there and get them, and we did the same way, stand up, attack, we buck up on one friend, you see me, heal them up, come back out. You see me? We never come back out like out of the hardware. You see me? We still in the hardware look on certain things, see me. So from that, we go back to the cashier.
No, what we did do, we got to the lady for signing out with the nail and then look at something we get inside.
Oh, yeah.
Remember too.
Yeah, because the nail and the thing, them small things are inside, but you know the lumber and the steel and them thing and the cement, the outside, in the next section. Yeah. You see me? So anyhow, at them time, they already book up and... So anyhow, me have the chally, you see me, with the nail, because the nail them heavy. It's like some bag of nail, you see me?
6 pound, 6 pound, that different type of nail. So
anyhow,
I don't know.
We have the chally, and the lady with we sign off the receipt, we check the thing them. She check everything, you see me, I'll put them back in the chally. So...
A man, hold on, me I'll forget, the man stand up at the lady with the sign the thing, and him say, you don't want a chuck? Yeah, I mean, say, yeah, man, because we are going to want some ply and them thing there. You can hold them ply there.
But the other truck man with that talk to, him gone for like
stone and sand, yeah.
You see me? But nothing to do with the hardware.
Yeah. So basically, the black, remember it's a black man. You see me? It's a black man. Him stand up there and him say, you don't want transportation? I will say, yeah, man, the ply them can hold and thing, and him say, yeah. You see me? So we say, alright, we not go out there, say, and no matter bag man rush we forget. You see me? Because him they already did it. So we say we are work with him. You see me? So we know I come out right at the doorway because
so
we the close.
I think me have a Charlie. You see me, and Buhn there in front of me.
Yeah.
I walk. So, you know, some other people up on the outside, like some local man who are hustle. You see me, some local truck man or man who want help do this or help do that. So, Buhn there in front of me I walk with the Charlie and the man there in front of me as well. So, by the time we push the Charlie through the door, we see probably like 4 to 5 to 6 police run up.
We couldn't even count at that time.
We couldn't even count. We just see enough police and the vehicle them park up with that door. You see me? They park up in a store. You know when they
drive down.
Yeah, them drive down. You know when they go up on a bank robbery and the police them drive up at the door where the bank and it's like they make them know say yo nobody can pass, nobody can this so.
Like we just rabbit the hardware.
So the police them run up and with billiards and you know, not just we, everybody were there on the outside. You see me? But the way them run up, hold up your hand. But me I said to myself, say probably I know we them at all because we just come out with the Charlie. I wouldn't want to say when they're there, I do nothing wrong. You see me? So we are push. When them say don't move, me did that kind of hesitate same way because me I say, oh, probably I know me my talk.
Yeah.
Probably them did it before.
Me still a walk. Remember me there front and me a walk and go in at the gun point. Me I say, no me I feel look back at one day. You know when I look back at one.
Yeah,
so me I say, so me say I have on the mask, you know. So people that probably are pre different. So me I say, me take off the mask cap before them think say me a thief or so. You see me ease off the mask so and them I look. Me look back and Jnel and say, come, like him I say, come. So me see everybody I go towards the wall. Everybody reach at the wall before me, you know. I hold up the man from the wall and I mean still I look. Because me hesitant.
I say I know we don't know how them attack.
Yeah. And that so, really happen to we.
So anyhow, me just say to myself, say, yo, me I'll comply, me go against the wall and hold up my hand. You see me, them time they will never do it yet because it's still a wonder if we them attack.
So me just do it after. Like after everybody, me just go there, hold up my hand. You see me, hold up my hand and think. Me start tremble because I don't like it. Or something I don't like.
Encounter there, especially when you know say you're not involved in no criminal activity.
Yeah, it just make me feel like, you know, I wonder what me do now. You see me come and say,
but me even wonder what me do because me know what I do now. Me just wonder what go on, what happen. You see me, so that when they on the wall now, on the wall and the policeman them a search. You see me, and I think a brother did the side of me. You see me, and it's like him pants a drop off. You know them, some of them wear them pants.
Yeah.
You see, it's like the man pants a drop off and them have put down him hand for pull up him pants. Yeah. And the police say to and lick him in him side and say, where you had the boy? And the officer and him say, I'm pants me I pull up, man, I'm pants me I pull up. And I say, John, no stand. I wonder if me I got do nothing now for him. For the policeman lick me now anyway.
Yeah.
Why? You see
but no, that you see that a youth with the side of you see next youth with the side of me, the man have on a jacket, man say take off that. Take off that. Yeah, I pull over, man. Easy it off and dash it that. Man say, my jacket there ground, sir. Left the jacket, man. Your jacket good, man. You under the panic ground, you're good. You see me? And then. So I said that you there. The man deal with the man, so.
Then they are search, you see me? Them search, you know them search under your foot and them thing to see if you have gun. So him pull it back. I remember me they go back home for some money for them.
They search near your boss. Like him search, the way him search it, you know feel like him search too close to your balls, like right there so him search. No, why the man a shuffle me up. Me feel like I say blows and scream. Man a shuffle me so like him want to hurt up my balls, you know. I say me feel like I'm a side if you search still, you know.
It kind of weird.
You feel weird. You feel yeah, and
I say,
I wonder where him really check for when him all search them area there.
So anyway, him going on my bag and see a certain amount of money in them bag. Me never sure how much money. You see me? But me know say I know little bit of money. Yeah,
little bit of money. Hey,
shut your mouth
with a little bit of money. Hey,
life is sweet. Like we dip it in the money. Hey, back to the story. So let me say again. Yeah, so him search him bag and him find money in the bag and him say, where you get the money from? I say, officer, you know, say my mother money. I say, what you do with it? I say, the hard way my dear man I buy some things from my mother. Where your mother come from? I say she live overseas now, but I take care of whatsoever out in a Jamaica.
Make sure come.
I say, alright, where you come from? I say, I come from Mullines Road, man, Jewsland. I say, oh, what you do? I say, you know, say some video, I do some YouTube video and them thing that I want me do. And him say, alright, and then him say, alright, take down one now and turn on. And by me turn on like policeman, them say, wait, so I don't know your face, man? I say, yeah man, are you name Jnel, man, a video you do? I say, yeah man, that made that explain to the officer. And the officer turn and I say, what? Like he must say, yo, how you talk about me, say? But me I say, no man, me that explain to him, say, me that tell you, say, a video me do on them thing there. You see me, and
officer. Sound like you did a tremble still, you know?
No, never.
You did a fright.
But me did, you know, me not like, you know, them type of encounters because me know me not used to it. You see me not involved in no type of. So however now, that go on, you see me them search and them say, alright, the police officer gone. So the tallest policeman, him a the Dan, like him a the big man. You see me, so I say, yo, like him a ask the people in the place where the manager is. And the thing is, you know, bear in mind, you know, the police officer them never go in at the store. They never go in at the store at all.
Them just stay outside of the store.
So remember, say we did inside of the store, you know, and as we come out, we run up and be a gun. You understand? And they never go inside of the store. So that means say there was no threat inside of the store no more. You see me? So me happy to say yo, we them probably call policeman because you know we did it and we go here and come back and we have on the strap bag, so they probably feel like you know they mute the strap because we have on the strap bag. Yeah. But me don't know how that makes sense. Not because we have on a strap bag means we strap. But anyways, me feel like that's why and them ask for the supervisor. So definitely them get a call. You understand? So while everything done now, I go to the hardware and get the thing them in the truck. While I pack the thing them in the truck, me see
them still a walk around. Yeah, walk around and check on. Like me I say, I wonder if I really we them a investigate. Like I wonder if them really get a call for.
Them come around the spot with the after we left, go around the side. Them come around the spot with the and ask for the supervisor.
See him we.
So me I say, you know what? I not do nothing wrong. I just go about business and do me. So while I pack the thing them in the truck, you see me, a vehicle I drive out. But it look like one of the is either the owner, CEO or something at the place. I drive out and while me I put the boat on the truck, is me the van I come down. So me I say hold on, I hold it because I don't go touch people in the vehicle. So by the time I stay so now and hold the boat and stay so and look on the car to see if me dead near to it, the person in the car was like,
you know them weird look there.
And I look on me. So me I say, in my mind, I not think nothing. You see me? But after everything now, after we get the board and everything,
put 1 and 2 together.
We put 1 and 2 together. I say, Buhn. You know, say when me not the hardware, a woman come out and she look for me. So I say, wait, I wonder if that's why them call police. You see me? So I didn't know me I put 1 and 2 together because the youth them, the other youth them when they out there, when them search, they managed it a long time. Long before we reach.
So if I did something wrong with them, they would have called long time. But
just we.
Why? Me not understand why at the point of time when we are come out of the store, the police them down and the man them didn't be out there and we not see nobody else. Anybody where they did already the outside. You understand what
I wonder why at the moment at the time in the position, you know why that happened. At the moment at the time.
Which position at that point still. Yeah, so basically guys, if you have ever encountered such, encounterment, I say go? I don't remember. But alright, if you ever feel that way they are, you have ever been in that situation.
Like profile, where, basically you get profile.
For something where you never do. Like
I don't like say you do something, but just because of how you dress, people might look by you as that type of person. Because me remember going into a wholesale already, right? And the lady there front with her bag, like she'll take money out of her bag or whatsoever. And by the time, I remember say I have to join the line, and by the time I go behind her, I go stand up and see she hug up her bag. So I say to myself, I don't like them feeling her. So I just step back and give her enough space to do whatsoever she do.
And I see him so like when one day I take a taxi bro and the lady I take bus, but me I take taxi but we have to still stand up in the same bus stop. The lady step one side, I hold her bag. Me I say, I wonder if she knows me a star. Let me take off me just say, me take off my mask and make sure she say me a cute boy, Yeah.
Yeah, but anytime, we encounter them type of problem or people think say we are a robber or whatever, I try my best to show my face. Like, I don't want to seem like, one of them, but the thing now with profiling is, no matter why I get profile, because, a lot of things are going on nowadays where
Especially now, bro.
You can't be sure of who, no matter what. But we understand that part, but and I say we vex with the hardware and like that because after that we still end up going the same way. Probably like 3 times, 4 times. But this is just a story time,
Yeah. And if you feel like you want more story time, guys, please leave a comment below.
Yeah.
You see me?
Leave a comment. And guys, watch the video them and now hit the like button.
If you like this video,
just hit the like button. It's free.
It's free.
It's free. Like, you're not charged. Like, you just go up on the video and watch it.
And it's also free to subscribe.
It's also free to subscribe. So you see the subscribe button right here.
And it's also free to comment. So just share your thoughts. You see me? We're here to actually, hear you guys' feedback. So make you know where they go on. You get what I say? Yeah. And guys, please go check out the vlog them. The vlog them hot.
Yeah.
You see me?
Vlog channel at Jnel Vlogs. It's a good right, that's all.
Yeah, so check out the vlogs, guys.
You can click the... Alright, make I put the vlog channel thing right here. Use the circle thing so you can, subscribe.
Yeah.
And, it's a vibe.
And you don't know, follow me on Instagram, Buhn_reaction. And follow Jnel too.
Jnel official _1. You see me? So you don't know your boy Jnel.
And you don't know your boy Buhn out.
You're out, what?
You don't know your boy Buhn and I'm out.
much did I reach?